Every so often, life takes a surprising turn, and some people find themselves with an unexpected windfall. It might come from an inheritance, winning a jackpot, or another unexpected source of wealth. While it might seem like a dream come true, managing sudden riches can quickly turn into a nightmare if handled poorly. Statistics show that over 70% of lottery winners lose their newfound wealth within just 3 to 5 years, often due to lack of preparation. Without a clear plan, what should be a blessing can become a curse. Here are 15 essential steps to follow if you suddenly come into money. The first and most important rule is don't tell anyone. Resist the urge to share your good fortune. Sharing too soon can lead to unnecessary pressure, expectations, or even unwanted attention. Take your time, process the news, and think carefully before revealing anything to anyone. You may even want to consult a lawyer or a financial advisor before telling family or friends to establish boundaries and plan your next steps. Protecting your privacy early on can prevent future stress and unwanted complications. Before you start spending, tackle any existing debts. Eliminate financial burdens like credit card balances, loans, or mortgages. It can provide a peace of mind. But don't assume this means you're free to take on new debt. Keep your finances in check and create a budget to avoid slipping back into old habits. Paying off debt also allows you to free up future income for meaningful investments. While it might be tempting to walk into work and just hand in your resignation, hold off. Quitting prematurely can lead to a lack of structure in your life. Continue your routine while you decide how this financial change will affect your future. Having a steady income stream, even temporarily, can also help you ease into your new financial reality. Consider negotiating a reduced workload or transitioning into a different role instead of quitting outright. After clearing debts, let the rest of the money remain untouched for a while. At least 6 months, really let it settle in. This pause allows you to adjust emotionally and mentally, avoiding any impulsive decisions. Your perspective on how to use the money will likely evolve during this time. Use this period to reflect on your values and your goals. Consult with professionals, read books on wealth management, and evaluate how this money aligns with your long-term aspirations. To keep and grow your wealth, you need to understand how money works. Take time to educate yourself about financial planning and investing, watch YouTube videos. This knowledge is essential to avoid costly mistakes and ensure your money lasts long-term. Consider enrolling in financial literacy courses or working with a trusted advisor to develop your skills. The more you learn, the more empowered you'll be to make sound financial decisions. Now, if your windfall comes from an inheritance, the original owner likely had a trusted financial advisor. Take time to understand their role and assess their performance before making any changes. Trusted advisors are often critical to maintaining wealth. If you decide to hire your own advisor, make sure they're reputable, experienced, and that they have your best interests in mind. Look for advisors with fiduciary responsibilities to act in your best interests. While it's okay to improve your living situation, avoid overindulging. For example, pay off your current home instead of buying an extravagant mansion with high maintenance costs and utility costs. Focus on creating long-term stability, not short-term luxuries. Consider upgrades that enhance your quality of life without significantly increasing ongoing expenses. For instance, investing in energy-efficient home improvements can save money in the long run. When people discover your wealth, they might approach you with business ideas or personal requests. You'll find so many long-lost relatives. Politely decline. Lending money to friends or family can strain relationships and rarely ends well. Protect your safety net and communicate clear boundaries to avoid misunderstandings. A firm but kind no is essential to preserve relationships and your financial security. While it's tempting to become an entrepreneur, starting a business without adequate preparation can drain your newfound wealth very quickly. Focus on careful planning and seek advice from financial experts before pursuing any ventures. Test your ideas on a very small scale first to minimize risks. Evaluate the market demand, costs, and the potential returns before committing large sums of money. Sudden wealth will change your life and not always in positive ways. You may become a target for lawsuits, scams, or manipulative behavior. Strengthen your legal and financial defenses to protect yourself and your assets. Consider hiring legal counsel to help you navigate potential pitfalls. Investing in insurance policies, including liability and umbrella insurance, can provide additional protection. Wealth is meaningless without health. Use your resources to improve your well-being. Schedule a full medical checkup. Adopt healthier habits, eating and exercise, and consider investing in a personalized health plan. Enjoy your wealth as long as possible. Don't overlook mental health counseling or therapy, which can help you cope with the pressures of wealth. Engage in activities that promote physical and mental wellness, such as yoga, meditation, fitness programs. Think of your windfall as a tree that bears fruit. By spending only 5% of your wealth annually, you can ensure that your money lasts indefinitely. Invest wisely and live off the returns, leaving the principal untouched. This approach provides financial security for you and future generations. Diversify your investments to minimize risks and maximize returns. Sudden wealth can also impact your children. Consider setting up a trust to provide them with allowances or access to the funds at certain milestones. This ensures that the money supports them without enabling irresponsible behavior. Teach your children about financial responsibility to help them make informed decisions. Encourage them to value hard work and understand the importance of financial planning. Newfound wealth can test relationships. Be mindful of your decisions and avoid behaviors that could jeopardize your family. Strengthen your relationships and resist temptations that may have long-term consequences. Open communication with loved ones about your goals can help build trust and unity. Discuss how the wealth will be used to benefit the entire family. Above all, don't gamble with your money. Avoid high-risk investments, shady deals, or attempts to double your wealth quickly. Treat this opportunity as a second chance to secure your future, not a chance to push your luck. Focus on slow and steady growth. Remember, wealth preservation is just as important as wealth accumulation. And consider giving back. Thoughtful philanthropy can create a sense of purpose and fulfillment. Research causes that you care about and develop a plan to contribute in meaningful ways. Giving responsibly can also reduce the tax burden associated with large sums of money. Supporting community initiatives can have a lasting impact and create a positive legacy. Sudden wealth is a rare gift that comes with its own challenges. By staying grounded and making thoughtful decisions and prioritizing long-term stability, you can turn this windfall into a lasting blessing. Now share your thoughts in the comments below and let me know what you think about what would you do if you suddenly came into a large amount of money. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.